Hi guys, welcome back to AJY. The file created a speedy car and Kane brushless motorsports powerful RS Racer controller battery. uh, 30 km speed, guys. Steering. And guys, thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe and like. Bye.